How to block Safari pop-ups on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on Safari. Safari helps to browse the internet, access websites, manage tabs, and bookmarks. On the Safari settings page, scroll down to the General section and tap on Block Pop-ups and turn the switch on, if it is turned off. It is now active and will prevent most unwanted pop-up windows from appearing while you browse. This way, you get more control over your usage of the device. Following these steps, you can easily block Safari pop-ups on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.